Yeah, man, I got an iPad. Finally got an iPad, and I had to wait like a week to get my iPad pencil or iPencil or whatever. I got it. I got both pieces. I got me a screen protector and a little case. I'm ready to rock. So I was messing around with it last night, and I'm gonna mess with it some more today, but this is basically what I was doing.
Yeah, man, this is the first piece, the first one. Wait, hold up, where are my manners? This is Kris Collins, and welcome to episode 18 of Guts and Glory. Big shout to my homie Tie-Dye for providing the beats. Much love, I appreciate it. Respect. This is the first time I've ever messed around on an iPad in Procreate, and here it is, man. This is the moment I've been waiting for.
I've watched quite a few videos, like tutorial videos for Procreate users on the iPad, and I don't know everything. Obviously, this is the first time I've ever messed with the application. This is the beginning. So, new beginnings. This is the beginning. Sliding all over this.
You know, guys, we've had this conversation before about breasts, and man, I hate censorship, dude. I really do, but I feel like I should probably do the adult responsible thing and cover up this woman's breasts that I drew. Oh, you know, the children, they really should not be subject to bare breasts. You know, I mean, doesn't that make a lot of sense, guys? I mean, why would a child want to see a pair of breasts? That is just, I had to do the responsible thing. Anywho, I really enjoyed, drawing, drawing. Real mature, Kris. Real mature. Anyway, I really enjoyed drawing this piece. It turned out super dope. And let me know what you think in the comments.
Man, I love this thing. I mean, wow. Why didn't I have an iPad with Procreate years ago? I'm kind of kicking myself now for holding out, but it is what it is. I finally arrived. Pretty cool pieces. Let me know what you think, guys. Just comment in the comment section there in the peanut gallery. All comments are appreciated except for the ones that are in bad taste.
Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video with these last two pieces, and I just want to say thank you for checking out my videos. Make sure to check out Guts and Glory every Monday, and I'm not going to give you a specific time, you know. Maybe I'll do that in the future, who knows, but I might even add another video throughout the week. Not sure at this point, but thank you for tuning in. Thank you for commenting on the art and keeping it positive, man. I mean, it's so easy to be like, oh yeah, well, you should have done this. You know, that sometimes can be the worst thing you really want to hear. Like, it's like, no, I'd rather not hear that. And, you know, constructive criticism is good, but I mean, everyone has an opinion. So, you know, if you feel like you need to share it and you don't care how it makes me feel, then go for it.
This is the beginning. Hope you enjoy. Give this video one of those likes, you know, like when you gently caress that like button, because you don't want to smash that joint. But you know what? Smash that joint. Smash it and then gently caress it. Or you can gently caress the like button and then smash it and then gently caress it again. Perfect. Shout out to my homie Tie-Dye on the beat. Big up. Man, I go back with Tie-Dye, man. I've watched that young man grow up quite a bit. So, nothing but respect and love to tie-dye, my young brother. You're doing it, baby. Yeah.